Hello Year 6, it's the end of another busy week. I know lots of you have been working incredibly hard at home or in your school bubble, and I just wanted to say how incredibly proud your teachers are of you for all your hard work, so well done. Let's get started with today's spelling lesson. Let's start by taking a look at the Spelling Shed class leaderboard. Today we have got another shift around. We've got 6p have overtaken 6m. Again, they've got 52,149,649 points. Well done 6p, I've given you a Class Dojo point. 6m, second place, 45,972,534 points. Then we've got 6r who've overtaken 6g. They've got 21,874,812 points. And 6g have got a little bit of catching up to do. They've got 9,010,268 points. So well done to 6p today. I'd also like to give a Class Dojo point to Alfie in 6p for his lovely handwriting that he sent through earlier on in the week. I was very impressed, so well done to Alfie. Today's learning objective is to spell words beginning with ACC, which will be the final time we look at this learning objective. Next week we'll be moving on to a new spelling rule. Your starter task today, to warm us up this morning, is to see how many words you can make using the letters in accidentally. So have a look at the letters, see if you can put them in any order to make as many words as you possibly can. For each word, you can use the letters in any order. You can only use the letters that are there, so you can't double a letter if there's not a double letter. For example, I could have tin, T-I-N, but I couldn't have tint because there's only one T. Okay, we will score them when you've had a go. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, but the longer the words, the more points you get. For example, tin will have 3 points because it's 3 letters. Okay, if you had a 4-letter word, it will be 4 points, 5-letter word, 5 points, etc. So set yourself a time limit if you want to have a race against yourself, or you can just see how many words you can get before you get stuck. Pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. Okay, now I did Google this and apparently there are a possible 518 words that you can make out of accidentally. It has got quite a lot of letters. I don't expect you to have found all of those, but you might have found quite a few. Now what you need to do is add up how many points you get. So if you had a 1-letter word like a, you can give yourself 1 point. If you had a 2-letter word like it, 2 points. 3 letters like can, 3 points. 4 letters like dent, 4 points. 5 letters like canal, 5 points. 6 points for a 6-letter word, etc., etc. The most letters you could have had, there was one possibility. You could have had accidental, which would have given you 10 points. I wonder if you spotted that one. So work out how many points you got. You can add them all up and work out your grand total. Okay, we are now ready for this week's spelling test. You have been practicing your words all week. We now know what they mean. We've written them in beautiful handwriting. We've done lots of activities where we've tried to remember how to spell them and looked at some tricks and done lots of practice. So we should be more than ready for today's spelling test. Get yourself a piece of paper and a pen and get yourself ready. Okay, so I will read each word, then I'll read it in a sentence and then I'll read the word again. And I'm going to try and put these in Alex Rider Stormbreaker sentences today. So we are starting with the red spellings. Everyone can join in with number 1. So number 1, the word is access. Alex Rider typed in the access code. The word is access. Number 2, the word is accuse. No one could accuse Alex of being a coward. The word is accuse. Number 3, the word is accost. The bank manager came over to accost Alex. The word is accost. Number 4, the word is accuracy. Alex questioned the accuracy of the police report. The word is accuracy. Number 5, the word is accompany. Alex did not want Jack to accompany him in case it was dangerous. Okay, number 6 then, starting with the green and blue ones remaining. Number 6, the word is accommodate. The hut could barely accommodate them all. The word is accommodate. Number 7, the word is accomplish. Alex hoped he could accomplish his mission in time. The word is accomplish. And finally, the remaining spellings are the blue spellings. Number 8, the word is accumulate. Suspicions have begun to accumulate in Alex's mind. The word is accumulate. Number 9, the word is accentuate. His torch only gave enough light to accentuate the darkness. The word is accentuate. Well done. If you need to repeat any of those, you can just press rewind and go back and have another listen. Let's have a look at how you got on. Okay, there are your spellings, so you can check them carefully and see how many you got right. As it is Friday, I'm going to give you a creative spelling challenge to do today. Can you make or write your spelling words in some different creative ways? So you could use some colours to write your spelling words in some sort of calligraphy or fancy writing. You could use some fridge magnets or some newspaper letters to make your spelling words. You could have a look in your recycling, like the bottle tops at the top, and write your spelling words on those. You could have a look in the kitchen and decorate some biscuits with some icing to spell out your spelling words. You could find some food items like Smarties to write out your spelling words. You could even go outside if you can find some chalk. You could write your spelling words in chalk, or even find some snow somewhere lying around still. You can be as creative as you like. You can make each spelling word in a different way, but I suggest you ask an adult before you try any ideas to check that it's okay. We would love to see some photos of you getting creative with your spelling words this week. You can send those to the email address here, year6@frenchprimary.worcester.sch.uk. I hope you enjoy getting creative today, and I hope you have a lovely weekend.